Hey folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of Bitcoin versus the American dollar. So I've been getting requests every day about Bitcoin, so let's just have another look at this just to try and find some interesting price points, and then also discuss, why price is likely to go to these levels based on liquidity distribution. Okay, so if we focus on this here, we're going to go out all the way. We're going to go down to, we're going to stay right here like this. Okay, if we notice, where did price turn around? Both above and below. We turned around, if we do an average, we turned around there, and we turned around here. So what does that tell us about these price points here, down here, and up here? Well, that tells us that we have willing sellers here and we have winning buyers here. And the reason we have winning sellers here is because, anyone who got in below is seeing that if they did not get out of their trades here and they watched the market give back all of their profits saying that they got in wherever, once price re-references these highs, there is a huge likelihood of people to bail on their positions, which is what we're seeing. Okay, so enormous number of people getting out of their trades, and they're happy. They're very, very happy. So we had some huge accelerating selling pressure here. Okay, and so what's happening now? Well, the same thing is going on now, where we had these high prices, people who didn't get out here or didn't know why or where to get out, they got out here or here or here or whatever, or here, or maybe even here. Okay, and so they learned the lesson. The lesson they learned was the last time price got up to these highs, it was a good idea to get out. Okay, and so, what happens now? Well, price is getting close to this. We had a test. We went to an opposing area of supply. We tested it, and now we're moving down. And so where are people going to be looking to get out of these positions? Well, they're probably going to be looking to get out of these positions around here. Okay? And for the brave people, they're going to maybe wait to get back into Bitcoin, hoping that it comes down to here to around the $24,000 point. I really like this a lot. We also have this one here. We've got this one here. We've got this one here. Let me draw those in properly. So we have this one here. We also have this one here. This is just the bottom of this area. Then we have a few other areas. We have this one here at the $16,000 point. So we have several areas that we could consider to buy back into Bitcoin. So price is likely going to go at least to these lows here. Okay, because this is where price turned last time. We have liquidity void here we need to address. And so once price comes back down to here, or maybe even as low as a $20,000 price point, I think this is where, or when we will see, rather we will begin to pull the patient bulls off the sidelines and bring them back into Bitcoin. Also, in the moment in Canada, a lot of people have started to pull their money out of the banks because they were afraid of having their money frozen. Because this has started to happen because of this Emergencies Act that was just passed in Parliament in Australia, in Canada. So people are thinking like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? I can't have my money in the bank. What do I do with it? I can't have cash under the mattress. And so I think a lot of people will start to buy into Bitcoin. And this is why Bitcoin is such a beautiful instrument for dictatorships, for situations where we have hyperinflation. And that is because once your money is in your wallet, your hardware wallet or paper wallet or whatever, nobody can take it from you. It's yours. And unless you put it on an exchange or you leave it in some way vulnerable, they can't get their hands on it. People can freeze trading accounts, but they cannot freeze a public address somewhere on the blockchain. And so your money in your wallet is safe. Okay, so I think that this is actually the first real useful use case for Bitcoin. And I think it's the people in Canada who are going to begin to move into Bitcoin because they're afraid of legacy money and legacy banking, the single point of failure, out of control, central banks out of control, governments trying to take people's money from them. This is a real danger, and we're seeing it play out now. And so I think that this will also fuel flows moving back into Bitcoin. But again, I think this is going to happen once we get down to around this area here, historical turning points. Okay, good. That was a long one this time. I'm going to stop. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.